Over here at Coger's Customs, he picked up this jewel at the auction. He said quick rinse. I'm hungry, trying to go eat. This guy is trying to detail an old school truck. That way if you gotta go poo, you already got the paper under the seat ready to go. You just let it rip. Let it rip, that's all you gotta do. Looks like they've done more sitting in this thing than they've done driving. Look at there. When you got a big hole in your seat, fat roll of paper towels, it makes life great again.